What's happening, everybody? It's Rob here from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the no-footed bunny hop, or bunny hop no-footer. This is a great trick to learn that not a lot of people can do. I use it a lot to go into grinds and out of grinds, but you can use it however you'd like. So let's get started. Remember, safety is important, and your brain is the consistency of Jell-O. So when doing tricks that you're unfamiliar with or learning them for the first time, always wear a helmet and other safety equipment. The first thing you're going to want to work on is landing on your back tire in a bunny hop. I also went over this in my bunny hop 360 tail tap video. You want to get really comfortable with that. After that, we're going to work on taking our feet off just a little bit. And how you're going to do that is you're going to go for your normal bunny hop, and on your way up you're going to take your feet off. Just as your back tire is leaving the ground, you're going to take your feet off, and then bring them back before your back tire hits the ground. Now when I say take your feet off, I mean just that. Your feet are actually going to come up slightly and then go out and then come back down. You're not going to jump off your pedals, you're jumping off the ground in the bunny hop. So from the bunny hop, you'll pull your feet up just slightly and then off. Next, we're going to work on bunny hopping a little bit bigger and throwing our legs just a little bit further. You're still going to throw your legs at the same point just as your back tire comes off the ground. You're just going to pull up a little bit harder before you initiate the no-footer. Remember, you don't have to learn this trick overnight or in the length of this video. I did each step probably 50 to 100 times before I moved on to going a little bit bigger each time, just so I was comfortable with it and didn't bang my shins up a lot. So take your time and learn at your own pace. And that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. If you don't want to miss my next video, you can turn on those alerts and you'll be sure to be notified when it drops. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can go ahead and comment below, or you can send me an email. The weather's getting pretty bad here, so I'm going to go back to bicycle repair videos, and we'll visit this again next spring. Thanks.